Imagine waking up every morning with stiff, aching knees. The simple act of walking down the stairs feels like a monumental task, and the activities you once loved, like hiking, gardening, or even just playing with your grandkids, are now sources of pain rather than joy. This is the daily reality for over 1 in 5 adults in the world who suffer from osteoarthritis, a debilitating condition that slowly wears away the protective cartilage in our joints. For decades, the only options have been to manage the pain with temporary fixes or, eventually, undergo invasive joint replacement surgery. But what if we could turn back the clock on our joints? What if we could not only halt the damage but actually regrow the cartilage we've lost, making our knees feel young again? It might sound like science fiction, but a groundbreaking discovery from scientists at Stanford Medicine is making this a very real possibility. They've developed a revolutionary anti-aging injection that has been shown to regrow knee cartilage in older animals and even prevent arthritis from developing after an injury. This isn't just another incremental improvement. It's a potential paradigm shift in how we treat joint disease, targeting the very root cause of aging in our tissues. Stay with us as we unpack this incredible breakthrough, exploring how a single protein could hold the key to ending the chronic pain of arthritis for millions. Scientists have made a significant breakthrough in the fight against joint degeneration, discovering a novel method to regenerate knee cartilage that is directly linked to the aging process. This innovative treatment focuses on a specific protein that accumulates in our bodies as we get older, causing progressive damage to our joints. In preclinical studies, researchers found that by blocking this single age-related protein, they could not only stop but actually reverse cartilage loss in older animals, restoring the joint to a healthier, more youthful state. The implications of this are profound, offering hope for a true cure rather than mere symptom management. Furthermore, this pioneering therapy has demonstrated a remarkable ability to prevent the onset of arthritis following common knee injuries, such as ACL tears. The research, spearheaded by a dedicated team at Stanford Medicine, has shown that this treatment can protect the joint from the devastating cascade of inflammation and degradation that typically leads to chronic arthritis. The administration of the treatment is designed for convenience and efficacy, with options for direct injections into the affected joint or systemic delivery that could benefit the entire body. A pill-based version of this groundbreaking inhibitor is already undergoing clinical trials for its effects on muscle aging, underscoring its broad potential. Perhaps most astonishingly, this therapy achieves cartilage regeneration without relying on stem cells. Instead, it works by reprogramming the existing cartilage cells, coaxing them to revert to a youthful, regenerative state and rebuild the joint from within. To truly appreciate the significance of this discovery, it's essential to understand the widespread impact of osteoarthritis. This condition, which affects a staggering portion of the adult population, is characterized by persistent joint pain, swelling, stiffness, and a progressive loss of mobility that can severely diminish quality of life. Current medical interventions, such as pain relievers, physical therapy, and steroid injections, are palliative at best. They only manage the symptoms without addressing the underlying cause of the disease. For many, the only long-term solution available today is a major surgical procedure to replace the entire joint. This new therapy, however, represents a fundamental shift in strategy. It directly targets the biological mechanism of cartilage degeneration. At the heart of this approach is a protein known as 15-PGDH. Scientists have classified 15-PGDH as a gerazyme, a type of enzyme or protein whose activity is intimately linked to the aging process. As we age, the levels of 15-PGDH in our tissues rise dramatically. This increase is not benign. High concentrations of 15-PGDH have been shown to accelerate the decline and dysfunction of various tissues throughout the body, including the cartilage in our joints. The Stanford team's research revealed that by specifically blocking the action of 15-PGDH, they could effectively rejuvenate the joint environment, leading to the restoration of cartilage thickness and a significant improvement in overall joint function. This marks a pivotal move away from simply masking pain and toward a regenerative medicine that targets the root cause of osteoarthritis. The mechanism behind this remarkable treatment is both elegant and powerful. The gerazyme 15-PGDH functions by breaking down a crucial, naturally occurring molecule called prostaglandin E2, PGE2. Prostaglandin E2 is a vital signaling molecule that plays a central role in supporting tissue repair and regeneration across the body. When 15 pGH levels are high, as they are in aging joints, PGE2 is rapidly degraded, and the body's innate ability to heal itself is suppressed. By introducing a specific inhibitor that blocks 1,5-PGDH, the treatment effectively takes the foot off the brake, allowing PGE2 levels to rise. This surge in prostaglandin E2 creates a pro-regenerative environment, stimulating repair processes not only in cartilage, but also in muscle, bone, nerve, and even blood cells. A key finding from this research is that the regeneration of cartilage occurred without the activation or introduction of stem cells, a common approach in other regenerative therapies. Instead, the treatment worked directly on the mature cartilage cells, known as chondrocytes. After the 1,5-PGDH inhibitor was administered, these older dysfunctional chondrocytes underwent a profound change in their gene activity. The genetic expression patterns within the cells began to shift, reverting to a state remarkably similar to that of young, healthy cartilage cells. As a result, the expression of harmful inflammatory genes, which drive the cycle of pain and degradation in arthritis, was significantly reduced. Simultaneously, the expression of genes responsible for building and maintaining healthy cartilage matrix was dramatically increased. Crucially, the new tissue that formed was hyaline cartilage, the strong, smooth, and durable type found on the surface of joints, not the weaker, scar-like fibrocartilage that often forms after injury and offers inferior protection. The results observed in animal models were nothing short of dramatic. In aging mice, whose joints mimicked the chronic, age-related wear and tear seen in human osteoarthritis, the treatment triggered substantial cartilage regrowth. Researchers documented a measurable increase in cartilage thickness across the entire surface of the knee joint, effectively rebuilding the cushion that had been lost over time. This structural improvement was accompanied by a significant recovery in joint function, with the treated animals showing enhanced mobility and less evidence of pain. The therapy was equally impressive in post-injury models. When administered to animals with ACL-like injuries, which almost invariably lead to arthritis, the treatment successfully prevented the disease from developing. In stark contrast, the untreated animals in the injury group developed clear signs of arthritis within just a few weeks, exhibiting joint damage and impaired movement. The treated animals, however, maintained healthier joints, moved more freely, and distributed their weight more evenly, indicating a lack of pain and dysfunction. For these studies, the treatment regimen consisted of injections administered twice a week for 4 weeks, a relatively short duration for such a profound effect. The therapy not only promoted regrowth, but also actively reduced inflammation and halted the degenerative processes within the joint. This preventative capability holds particular promise for athletes and active individuals who suffer sports-related injuries, offering a potential way to protect their joints and avoid a lifetime of arthritis down the road. Recognizing that success in animal models is only the first step, the researchers extended their investigation to human tissue. They obtained cartilage samples from patients with osteoarthritis and treated them with the 1,5-PGDH inhibitor in a laboratory setting. The response was incredibly encouraging. The treated human tissue showed a marked reduction in the enzymes that cause cartilage degradation, effectively halting the destructive process. Furthermore, the treatment suppressed the formation of inferior fibrocartilage and instead promoted the regeneration of healthy articular cartilage, mirroring the positive results seen in the animal studies. These findings strongly suggest that the therapy has the potential to be effective in humans, offering a viable new strategy to combat osteoarthritis. The clinical promise of this approach is immense. A successful treatment could dramatically reduce, or in some cases even eliminate, the need for joint replacement surgeries, which are costly, invasive, and require significant recovery time. The path to human application is already underway. A Phase 1 clinical trial for a systemic, pill-based version of the 1,5-PGDH inhibitor has been completed, demonstrating that the drug is safe and well tolerated in humans. The next crucial step will be to launch future trials specifically designed to test the therapy's ability to regenerate cartilage and alleviate symptoms in patients with osteoarthritis. This innovative approach represents a new and exciting model for adult tissue regeneration, moving beyond the limitations of current treatments. Scientists involved in the research believe this discovery could fundamentally transform the treatment of arthritis worldwide, offering millions of people the chance to live free from chronic joint pain and reclaim an active, fulfilling life.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments and share.